Okay, so this morning we're gonna work on the Ford before it gets too hot. And here's the problem we have right now. It's this. See it? It broke right in there. Now, part of the issue with changing out these door handles is the fact that they are riveted in there. Right there. So I'm gonna have to drill those rivets out, take the internal panel out, and put it all back together. So that's the project for today, so let's get after that. Okay, so I got the handle off on the outside, see? Right there. Excuse me. So, but now the problem is the little latches, they go in the door here, are stuck inside. So now we have to move to the inside of the door. And to take this door handle off here, you need to get a Torx 20. And I have a screwdriver Torx to go in there and remove that. Let's see. Like that. So, all right, I need two hands. Let me try. Okay, so we're on the inside of the door. I kind of vacuumed down in there, try to get some of that dirt out of there. But anyways, see up in there is the handle. There's the linkage, right there, the metal linkage. Right there, and there's the back side. So now we gotta figure out how to get that out of there. Okay, so you grab this handle here, and we're going with a little bit different design. It has this metal piece on the back. I found that from doing stuff on the other side, it makes it a little easier, but grab it and you just kind of go up on it, and there you go. So now we'll put the bolts in and tighten it all down. Okay, so I just showed you guys the process. Let's see if it works. Now we have a functional door handle again. Makes it a lot easier. Let's see. So I had the same problem on the other side of the pickup, and I went through two door handles before I came up with the one I have now. It has that little metal insert in there. You have to remove this little plastic piece out of that insert, and once you look at the door handle, you'll see you gotta remove it so the little rod will fit through there. But about 20 minutes. Now I've done it before, so it probably went a little faster for me, but about 20-30 minutes to fix that. Alright, I gotta clean my mess up. I also went ahead and got the vacuum out, clean all the garbage out from inside the door. That was a little bit added, but other than that, not too hard. Hope the video helps you guys fix your door handles on your Ford Rangers. Thanks for watching.